Namaskaram. Welcome Kanishk, Hrudya, Shilama, Abhirami, Balakrishnan, Neelima, Jayshika. Come on to video as you enter. And second one, though I am hosting the program, so I may be slightly setting up something, some answering. You are all here to join a program. So don't wait for somebody else to greet you, talk to you. The whole program is for an international interaction. So whenever you join, you are entering in somebody's house. If you are already there, you are supposed to say welcome, introduce yourself. I am seeing most of the time in any webinars or programs, people don't even greet each other, don't talk to each other. You will wait for somebody to talk to you. As if you are all buffaloes, only when food is given you will eat. I don't know what sort of a human being you will be if you are not a social being, if you are not a human being. So it is not interaction with the universal, global, international which is important. It is important to know how do you interact with the people when they meet in a program like this. All conferences, all associations, all unions, all meetings are for people to interact. And generally, if it is 11 o'clock program, as a host, I will join generally 15 minutes early. Those who are with me, Sheilama and all knows, I open it up 15 minutes early. But most of the people, just now Nandana joined 1 minute late. See, this shows how punctual you are in your life. You may ask what credit Dr. TPS has to speak like this. I served government 20 years. Nobody can point me saying that I was late in government office 1 minute late, because I generally attend my office half an hour early. I was called for giving training for most of the ISRO programs because not as an administrative officer to tell them how punctual you should be. People used to tell, oh, there is one Dr. TPS who used to open his office half an hour early. Generally in government office, when you are an officer, your office will be opened by attender or somebody else. I never gave a chance to them because I will reach before he can come to office. Very rarely, I must have given 10,000s of programs. I remember when Abu Dhabi, I went for a program 1 month as a course director. I was given accommodation in a 5-star hotel little away. So somebody has to come and pick me up for the program. I said, no, I want a hotel very nearby so that I can go by walk. Because I don't want to wait for a driver to decide my punctuality. I want to decide my punctuality. Balakrishnan and me were classmates. He knows I never used to be late in my class. Correct, Balakrishnan? I am sure Balakrishnan will vouch. As a graduate student, I never skipped a single class. Even the class was the most boring class, I used to be inside the class. Many of my students used to make fun of me. Why are you sitting? You know the class is worthless. But I still keep sitting there telling that I will know how not to become a bad teacher in life. That's one lesson which you will get. One is punctuality. Second one, I never miss an opportunity. If I get into a train, I never miss an opportunity to talk to people who are traveling along with me. They may respond, they may not respond. That doesn't matter. I don't care. But as far as possible, if I am sitting in a bus, who is beside me, I will talk. That is what is interaction. If you are not such a person, nobody will invite you for a program. You have to make leadership is not somebody offers you. Leadership is what you gain by yourself. It depends on what is that sort of activity which you want, whether you like it or not, right? So you must always jump into action. There is a great saying, who is the king of the forest?
Lion.
Who said the king is the forest? The king is lion. Is there a ceremony of making lion as the king in the forest?
No.
Then how it became the king?
It's some power.
The way the king behaves decides that the way the lion behaves is almost like a king behavior. We know a king will not be shy enough, right? King will show the head always up. So the way you present is the way people look at you. Vivekananda says, you are what you want to be. You are what you think you want to be. You decide what you want to be. Na samskaraho. There is no specific decorative program. Na kriyaho. There is no procedure by which. Simhasya kriyate vane. Simha, lion, is made the king of the forest. Swayameva mrigendraja. It decides itself, I am the king. And then behaves like that. So very, very essential. I had 2-3, see, everybody keeps on. Now the principal of a college is asking, where is the link? The message which I sent had the link. I am sure most of you joined here also asked me, which link for join? That means you don't even read the message. For me to type one paragraph, it takes some time. For you to read, it takes less time. But still you will ask. Why? Because you don't have the habit of reading a message very carefully. The time and date is given. I know immediately the time and date is given. What should I give? I should give the link to join, right? And many of you asked. Even now at 10:08, 11:08, somebody is asking me the link to join. That means what? They are late. They did not read. You know, these qualities are very, very essential even for any examination which you do. There is a examination called what is that? English language skill to test for going abroad. Which is that?
IELTS.
IELTS. They will give a paragraph and ask few questions. This is there in English comprehension also. Somewhere there is a message which you are missing. Whether you have the capacity to read and understand is what is being tested in English comprehension. Paragraph is given, questions are asked for what? When you read a paragraph, are you able to understand? What do people do? They look for questions and then search for answers. Therefore, they waste time. There is a lot of mechanism for gathering informations. Suppose you are a government employee, you have big files coming in front of you. And then you are supposed to make a small note for the Prime Minister to read. You have to read the whole file to get the crux of the... You cannot miss points which are very, very crucial. So when there is an invitation, definitely you know, invitation means there is a link given. So you are supposed to look for the link. Normally what happens is, even for a music program which I conduct every Friday, the link is same. For last so many programs, 8 programs, link is same. But then still people will ask. That means they don't even look for which are the links which are coming. Regular programs, generally the link repeats. You don't have to ask. So look for informations. Second, look for possibility of interaction. So now I will keep quiet. There are few people here. You all interact each other. But then I am going to ask you to speak about somebody else. You will have to do that. This is the workshop. Let me see how many of you gather how much information and who is going to be the leader here.
Hi everyone. Can you hear me?
Yes, we can hear you.
Myself, Abrami. I'm coming from Kottayam, Kerala, and I'm doing my graduation second year in BSc Honors Agriculture. Can you all introduce yourself so we could know where are you from?
I'm Rishika. I'm from Abu Dhabi. I study in Abu Dhabi. I'm originally from Kerala, Calicut. I'm in 8th grade.
Yeah.
Hi all, hello everyone. I'm from Kerala and I'm a 9th standard student. That's all about me.
My name is Fatra Masmar and I am from Kerala studying in 10th standard.
Hi friends, I'm Nandana. I'm from Kerala. Now I'm in Mumbai. I completed 12th standard.
Hi everyone. My name is Jessica Kushwaha. I'm from Prayagraj, Uttar Pradesh, and currently I'm pursuing BA Honours History from Lady Shri Ram College. And it's really nice to meet all of you.
Yeah.
Hi, I am Sri Harsha. I am from Andhra Pradesh. I have a diploma in BTech in Electronics Engineering.
Where are you from?
Hi everyone.
I am from Andhra Pradesh.
Okay.
Nice to meet you all.
Namaste everyone. Namaste everyone. I am Kanish. I'm studying in class 7. I am from Hyderabad.
Good morning all, I'm Adira and I'm from Kottayam, Kerala, and I have done my graduation from Lady Shri Ram College for Women in Philosophy. And nice to meet you all.
Namaste, this is Shuchita from Jaipur, Rajasthan. Nice to meet all of you. I'm most senior of all of you, I think, to all our students, and I have completed my post-graduation. I'm a nutritionist right now, Dr. Shuchita Vatsan from Jaipur.
Nice to meet you.
Hi ma'am.
Harsha, your video is off, my dear.
I am Sheila, housewife from Kerala, Kannur. I am interested in Dr. TPS all meetings to attend. So today I am free. I am joining with you people. I am very happy to see all of you. Yeah, same to you, Andy. Thank you, guys.
Hi, good morning, everybody. This side I am Panagar. Dr. TPS was my classmate. That was a day back to 1984, graduation with mathematics, Bible College. He is in my close contact, always for the last almost 40 years. Thank you. Glad to meet you.
Yes. Have you anyone go through the questions which Dr. TPS have shared with us about tomorrow's meetings? Hello?
I have gone through.
Yeah, can we discuss something about that so we could perform well tomorrow?
Sure.
Yeah. Okay, can we talk about the sustainable development goals? I think it's a last topic, so we could collect so many points from everyone. Yeah. Can anyone start? I'm not that much aware of it. That's why I have told about sharing about that topic.
No, which is the topic, Abhirami?
Sir, sustainable development goals.
No, sir, Dr. TPS. Tell me, what is the topic?
Sustainable development goals.
Sustainable development goals. I must have given at least 2-3 programs. You look at Dr. TPS, SDP, SDG, Sustainable Development Index. It's almost same as UNDP. United Nations development programs. United Nations is what connects different nations for collaborating, so that if somebody has got a less privilege of having food, probably World Trade Organization came into effect to support them. Once upon a time in 1970s, I am sure Balakrishnan, Sheila, all will remember, in our childhood we never had sufficient food also. Sugar was ration. We cannot buy more than 1 kg sugar per family. Only through government sugar was supported. No substitute sugar is also available. Today we have variety of sugar products available, right? We don't get. To get cement you need collector's permission. We had a lot of programs. Today also petroleum product is in ration. Why do you say petroleum product is in ration? Because everywhere you cannot buy. Only designated places you can buy. So ration has got different methods. One is increase the price, so that everybody cannot afford buying. So why petroleum product is in ration? Because we know that tomorrow it is going to be a scarcity, so we need to control it. People don't understand this concept. That is why government is controlling the price, right? Whereas vegetable price is not controlled by government. Anybody can decide, because we have more production. In childhood we never had a sufficient wheat to eat, rice to eat. So we used to get wheat from America. But today we have. So what do we give them back? We give them lot of books. Can you imagine? America was giving food to us and India was giving books to America. That's why you will see lot of libraries in America with full of Indian books. I was there 2 years back. I was wondering and then asking why America has got this many books on Mahatma Gandhi. Because we used to print a lot of books, and all of them. That's why they know Bhagavad Gita, they know most of the literature of Indian literature. We don't know that much literature other than what we read in the academics. Other than that, people don't read. We don't have good libraries. The libraries are plenty. So they need a lot of books. So World Trade Organization discusses what can be imported, what can be exported. Today also we import a lot of things, export a lot of things. Though we want or we don't want, we still have to do it. Because we have a trade agreement. So as a nation we have a lot of interaction with other bilateral issues. We discuss, identify what and how we can collaborate. That's why Prime Minister goes to different country. If you are a rich country, you can give a lot of things. America gives a lot of money for World Health Organization. So United Nations started from Geneva. The other day also United Nations Day I gave 2 lectures. One in Mahi and another was somewhere else. I don't remember. So many programs we organize and say that we all collaborate each other. So most of the countries, when now South Korea wanted to interact with India, immediately, traditionally it was UNDP. Now today they will talk about Sustainable Development Program. So what is sustainable? Yeah, I also want to progress, but not exploiting all the resources. I have to reserve it for longer time. That's called a sustainable. I know how to ration myself. I know how to control. Sustainability is controlling for tomorrow's generation, right? So that's why a lot of questions are asked to Sustainable Development Index. India's position today is very pathetic. Though we are a very knowledgeable, great country, we have 66th rank. Not a good rank. 66th is not a very good rank. But all countries are listed. Different countries are listed. But you will see one state in India is listed, not because it's a country, but a state is listed among the countries in the world. And that is Kerala. And its position is 6th position in the world. As a state, Kerala has shown a great leverage on demonstrating we know how to be sustainable in the world. Not because of many ability, just because healthcare, and child mortality, education. There are many index, 17 indexes are there. So you look at in 17 points, Kerala is one of the best in the indexes in this. So Kerala, it is not we who listed. The world census survey shows Kerala has got a very special place there. Okay, in the 17 index, that's it, nothing more than that. It doesn't mean that Kerala is best in everything, but in those 17 sustainable index, SDG, the growth, it's also called SDG, Sustainable Development Growth, SDP, Sustainable Development Program, SDI, Sustainable Development Index, these are all called the same. Okay, so I am so happy. I don't know, Jessica was part of it when Sustainable Development lecture was arranged by Delhi few people. Few colleges arranged. I think one was Delhi, and some voluntary organizations in Delhi also arranged one of my program. I was telling, most of the students are not even aware. 2015 to 2030, the lifetime of Sustainable Development Program is 2015 to 2030. Now already 6 years is over, and you can imagine student like Abhirami, who is an agriculture student, even social work students, lot of politicians in this country, lot of people who are supposed to know what is this is not even heard about it. And we call ourselves, we are a great nation who knows everything. Don't worry, we are not very bad. If you ask American people, not even people on the road, forget about them, not even university professors will know that. Because they are not worried about this. It's only worried about those people who are in developing countries. That is why South Korean people, when they asked a lot of questions on SDP, because they wanted to develop. Okay, so that is why the questions came on SDP and SDGs. I'm sure most of the teachers also may not know. They may not even heard about it. It has never come into discussion. I was so happy when I think Aurobindo College in Delhi arranged a program of mine. And then I was telling, and Bombay also, I was telling, oh, I'm so happy that at least children are looking at these programs, right? But there is nothing new. Whatever is UNDP, same thing is in SDP, little modified for. And what is sustainability? As far as United Nations sustainability talks about, you at least one point, when you tell me sustainability, tell me at least 1 or 2 points which comes into your mind. For tomorrow's world, we have to keep something safe. Tell me what is your idea.
Can I go ahead?
Don't ask, can I go ahead? Because that asking itself is you are going ahead, right? Avoid questions like, can I ask a question? No, you can ask a question. That is why you are asking that question. So jump into points. Almost all the prefix and suffix and all has to be avoided. What is required is, now when I explained something, you must know how to behave being a social being. Now I explained something. The first reaction from Jessica has to be what?
I am going to explain about...
No. Tell me, Jessica, you are taking... from what I discussed, you are coming to discussion now. You have the mic from me. Now what should be your first reaction? Tell me.
Greeting.
No. That is all over. All these formalities let us go, but we have to be little more human being, social being. How do you become more social? How do you become more human?
To start with an inclusive discussion.
No. See, you are taking cue from what I spoke. Anybody who can. Tell me what should be the way. Assume you are the person who is talking immediately after my message.
Addressing the question.
Adira, you are with me for long years, but still I am a failure in teaching you how to react to discussions?
Start with the next point.
No.
Jump into the
Make a point to continue discussion.
No.
Thank you for the information.
Yeah, Abhinami, you must connect to, then only the flow will be there. One is flow. See, there was a question on UN. I invested nearly 8 minutes and you don't even care it. How do people look at it? All of you, I suggest you to listen to some of my discussions with the students from America. One student, hours together, we discussed on many points. We feel like discussing more and more because they know how to appreciate. See what is being done. Yeah, this is a great information which I got it now. I never knew about UN. Now, having given a thought for making a comment on sustainability, I like to add a few points. If you speak like this, you are a good speaker, you know how to interact. You don't care all this, and then that means you don't care. See, the problem is not, I am not finding fault with any one of you, because it is not being taught in any of our classrooms. Classrooms are bombarding information, lecture, and then they go. You don't even have to tell them anything great. Correct? Because they are not telling anything great. They are telling only what is there in the textbook. Everybody knows it is there. No. It is to be appreciated. Learn appreciating. That is one which the best quality which Westerners have. Even when they give you a tea, yeah, you don't even tell something. You will just have the tea. And first sip, soon after the first sip, you say, yeah, tea is very good. It may not be good. That's how Westerners, I am giving one example. But then the next sentence will be, yeah, if I make a tea, I would have added more milk. See, in fact, they are telling the milk is less, but they will not tell milk is less. They know how to put it highly polished. Understood? They will find every mistakes in what you do, but they will not find mistakes. What do? They keep on telling. Understood? So Abhinami is a great leader. But what is lacking? The polished way. That is heard from your, see, I asked you a video for introduction, for all that. I never saw a single person saying that, yeah, it's a great opportunity for me to interact with international people. That shows you are a positive person. Understood? Any one of you, tell me, any one of you made that statement in your video? Tell me if anybody. Nobody. That is because you don't know how to appreciate. I was testing all of you. You understood? It is not for getting that video to get some appreciation. Because of that, Dr. TPS will become something great. No. It is to see that how do you react to situations. As a teacher, I will find blames. But as a communicator, I never do that. So sometimes I am very harsh to my students, but I am not harsh to my friends. I always appreciate. I always keep talking to them. But my students, sometimes I will say, oh, this is not the way to do it. Okay. So you should have that. Look at always when you hear, listen, and then react to that. That is what is essential. Yeah, now start. Jessica.
Thank you for the information.
Yeah. No, that itself is not giving the quality of your, the quality has to be, that has to come. See, that doesn't come from your heart. Do you tell this like this to your friend? Thank you for the information. How do you appreciate a friend? How do you appreciate a friend? Do you say thank you for the information? Do you say that? When somebody gives you a gift, you will say thank you for the gift. Will you say like that?
No, actually, I really appreciated whatever you said, and I was really inspired by that, but I couldn't frame it into words, and that's where I missed.
That is what is essential, because people cannot read your heart. People can only read from the tongue, what you speak. And actually there is a saying, the words comes from the tongue is from the manas. It has to reflect. Yeah, come on. Jessica, now.
Just a second. Just a second, Acharya. He's there on the door. Can I please excuse?
Yeah. Anybody else in between? Don't have to wait. I need not call you. It should come voluntarily very fast.
Sorry for the disturbance. I'm grateful that I'm able to take this conversation forward. So going on, I would like to mention that SDGs, as Acharya has already pointed out, it's very important because I think that we are seeing that there are a lot of problems that the world together is facing, and it's not one country that is facing a problem more or less. It's very interconnected. So the first thing that I would like to focus on is environment crisis, because if we'll not be able to live in a good environment, then I think nothing else is more important. So that's the first thing that we should focus on, because it's also connected with the very first SDG that is linked, that is the poverty issue. And I think when people who are under the poverty line, or if we generally say that people who are poor, they are the ones who are suffering more because they are more exposed to the open environment. So I think if we focus on the environment, it will already trickle down the very first SDG and help us to resolve that issue. Okay. Thank you.
I suggest all of you to see two movies. One is Cowspiracy, another one is Seaspiracy, which will give you a different impression on the environment problems. United Nations propagate a lot of things which probably we need not accept as educated people, because it's full of politics. Okay. United Nations has got a bigger politics than a country's politics, because different nations have to interact each other, right? Environment problem has become a great issue because of anybody. What made environment problem very famous?
Human activities.
Pollution.
Yeah, pollution, human activity, both are related. Okay, then what is the consequence of that?
People are saying global warming.
People are saying global warming. That means, yeah, Atira knows that I don't agree with that. That's why she mentioned that like that, I'm sure.
In a way, global warming is not a real thing. Politicians are playing in between. And the movie Seaspiracy and Cowspiracy is up for that. Like, it's not the global warming, the real threat. Rather, people are misusing the oceans like that.
Yeah, there are another two movies on the global warming. That is the Great Global Warming Swindle. Swindle means wrong depicted facts. Wrong depicted facts is called swindle. So Great Global Warming is a big wrong depicted fact. Okay, fact is not a truth. Each word is very careful. When I speak, I will be very careful in using words. Fact is, how do you show it? Factual information. The truth is entirely different. Court will not understand the truth. Court understand the fact presented by the advocates. So it can be actually fooling. So global warming is a fact which is because of, but the movie name is different. That's why I'm mentioning it very carefully. The Inconvenient Truth. That is the movie made by dash 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 dash. Anybody? The movie has got a very specific speciality, because just because somebody made a movie, he got a Nobel Prize. People will make fun of it if you have little sense. That is what has happened to ex-American Vice President. I am giving lot of clues if somebody knows the answer. In which IPCC chairman also shared the Nobel Prize, and he is an Indian.
Davis Guggenheim.
No. And then the IPCC chairman became a shame for India because of his bad dealings with many things. He was our prestige because he got a shared Nobel Prize. He was IPCC chairman. IPCC is what detected this global warming and all that. Pollution control, that is the last word. And that time Manmohan Singh was Prime Minister, I was with the Prime Minister's office. And we used to feel so proud that Manmohan Singh made a beautiful statement. Many people said India is polluting. And Manmohan Singh asked a return question. India is polluting. America is also polluting. India is polluting more because India has more people. America has less people. You take per capita. Per capita means per head. Per head pollution, India is polluting less. America is polluting more because they pollute more with that less number of people. We pollute more with more number of people. Globe has to be seen one. And in which if you divide the pollution with the number of people, India is polluting less. With that economics and mathematics put together, he confused the whole nation. And he said, therefore we don't agree with you. Only great people like him can speak like that. Got it? So that was a great move from Manmohan Singh. And earlier it was called Kyoto Protocol. Anybody? Still I am giving a lot of clues. Okay, look at that movie and see that how many wrong facts are depicted there to prove that world is warming. Okay. So, but still United Nations is doing a good job. It has to propagate that people should not pollute. There are different reasons for that. Okay, that's all global politics. But one of the index is sustainability, where people have to know how to use the resources carefully so that we grow gradually, sharing informations and sharing resources. That could be food, that could be anything. Okay. Next point, that everybody, this means you will have to learn little bit about all this and then prepare. I did not send these questions to everybody. Okay, I have only sent it to some people, not to everyone. Those who reacted, those who had some questions, when they had some questions, they chat something, then I supply it. Yeah. Next point. Continue. Abhirami has to unmute. You have another few questions there. You should unmute and speak. Jessica got the questions with you? Okay. Did I mention that the first interaction is with South Korea?
Yes, sir.
How do you greet in South Korean language? Say, how do you say good morning? No, did you look at it? If you did not, you can say, oh, I did not look at it. See, when somebody is coming to your house, don't you like to talk to them in their language and say, I'm sure if some abroad person comes and say namaskaram to you, will you be happy or not?
Yes.
Have you seen Prime Minister goes abroad and then if the President of America say namaskaram, it becomes a big news, right? I mentioned South Korea. First interaction is with South Korea. How many of you had that interest to know, oh, how do we greet in South Korea? Assume that tomorrow you get a South Korean student in front of you. You speak one word that will make a lot of attachment to you, right? Why your brain is not working like this? You understood what do I expect? You understood what do I expect? And what do? You say hello. Actually, that is a wrong word. I don't like the word hello. I don't like the word sir. There are specific reasons. You can ask me questions, I will answer all of them. See, naturally, you may not speak the way they speak, every language you may not know, but at least few things, like Ani Guzayo. Ani Guzayo. That's what is good morning. And they don't use the word hello. They will say Ani Guzayo. Okay. So learn at least few words. How do you learn? See, this is a way of learning few things, interacting. You can use translate on Google. Go and then find out there are websites English to whichever language you want. Okay. If I live in some place, definitely I will learn that language. That's what we do. Okay. We may not, but you get a chance to interact. You should not miss that chance. And you can also say Namaskaram, but then next word should be Ani Guzayo. Namaskaram, good morning. Don't start with hello. But I am only giving you some clue. That could be when I speak to Harsha. Harsha Garu, ela unnaranti, bagunnara. When I ask, I am sure Harsha will be more happy.
Yes, sir.
Correct? Because I am talking his language. See, every one of us should have that ability to pick up at least a few words to greet and talk to each other. That adds some value. Only when they have that reflection coming from them, right? And we also should tell Namaskaram and then tell this is how we greet people. Namaskaram. That is a Sanskrit word. Namaste. That's a Sanskrit word. This is how we greet people. So another clue which you got is you must learn little bit of language. Yeah. And you should have few questions. Not that they gave 15 questions. We also should have few questions. So I expect all of you to prepare and then type in few questions, at least 5 to 10 questions, and then send it to me. This is what we wanted to ask them. Okay, so type in and send it. When they have sent it, they already sent it to me. That's why I have shared to few people. So similarly, you should have. I should also have few questions to ask South Korean counterpart. This is what my questions are. Yeah. Come on, come on. So if you have some questions, you should start immediately. Jessica's net is not, it's vibrating. Anything to ask? Come immediately. Yeah, I will send those questions. I'll do it. Read. Abhirami, you have those questions, you can read. Somebody unmute and speak.
Sir,
No, sir. Dr. TPS.
Dr. TPS. Sir,
Dr. TPS, for tomorrow's, can we ask some casual questions like the dressing of the Koreans and all?
Anything you could ask, you just type in and then send it. Actual interaction is only on 8th. First, tomorrow is only a trial which runs for that. I don't know whether the students will participate, whether other country people will participate, because this is, see, I had this and I was making it much earlier, but then we lost a few chances. I had, a Philippines interaction. They used me for such interactions, but this is first time I am bringing few children from India for interaction. So we don't know how it will happen. You have no questions? Then I think it doesn't worth. I thought you will have a lot of questions to me to know what is going to happen.
Dr. TPS, tomorrow can we ask about the different cultural forms of South Korea?
See, that's all available on internet. Understood or not? Don't you have? What you can Google, you should not ask. Understand first of all. What you can Google, you know already. It's not by chance they are not in front of you. You are scheduled a program. So what you should do is very specifically something which adds some value. Don't ask how much is your population, what language you speak and what. See, you cannot ask Prime Minister of India when you meet him what is your name, right? Is it possible for you to ask? No, you should not. You should know little bit of things about it.
Dr. TPS,
Yeah.
sir, I have watched a Korean drama. So can I ask something related to that?
Yeah. Where did you see that?
I have watched it in Amazon Prime Video.
Yeah. But do you know that South Korea makes beautiful movies and there are few awards which they got?
No, I don't know. I've just seen one Korean drama, so I just watched it. That's it. I don't know deep about that.
You never checked about the movies of South Korea?
No, I didn't.
Huh?
No, I didn't check it.
Yeah, that is one big problem you people have, right? See, yeah. No, when you talk about the drama only, that came into my mind. That's why I'm asking.
Okay, I'll check it.
Have you heard about the earlier, I think, the Oscar for...
Parasite.
Yeah. See, who can forget Parasite movie? If you have not seen the Parasite movie, don't miss that. You are getting chance to meet somebody. The Kim is the person who made it, right? Yeah. Kim is from South Korea. That shows the life patterns there. How did they manage? These are all something which that the culture of that country itself is depicted there. I remember seeing the movie on the day of release when I was in America during that time, so I could see that movie on the day of release, Parasite. The award came later. So we were all telling that this movie is going to get Oscar. So don't miss. This is a chance. You have 1 week, don't worry. Tomorrow is only a trial. The actual one is on 8th. So this is how we learn about different countries. Learning about different countries also makes you to learn, movie is one method to understand the culture of a country. Just because Nandana mentioned about a drama, it reminded me that. That's how you should ask one question. I will add many things added to that. You have to be triggers. I am not going to be a speaker. I am only going to listen to you what you are going to do. Yeah. Good. Which drama you have seen, Nandana?
Sir, it is about True Beauty.
See, most of the Kerala film festivals in Thiruvananthapuram starts with the South Korean movies. The interaction is not very new. We had a great interaction in films and drama. They make good, they are very good artists.
Okay.
Yeah. And the way they speak also has got a childish style of, that's why I asked you, how do your friends ask? And there are a lot of commonality. Appa Amma is Appa Amma. There also.
Yes, sir. Appa, they used to, I mean, I have heard it.
Yeah. But that doesn't mean father and mother, it means dad and mom. When you are very close only, they will ask like that. Otherwise, it's Obrijo or something. Father is Obrijo. So it's different.
Dr. Keepers, I'm a big fan of South Korean band.
South Korean?
K-pop idol band named BTS.
Yeah. You could ask.
So,
And say that, no, if you can relate, oh, this is almost equal to or almost like this art form, this culture in India. And relate to that will be something which you are adding some value. And it's not South Korea alone. See, the expectation is we should use all our contacts, all our connections. Very bad. Probably Abhinami is here because Adira made this contact, right? You should understand how many of you tried your own contacts to connect people each other. If you have not, yeah, Kanishka has sent to somebody else, but she declined. Right? So you should have good contacts where you are a messenger, you are a torchbearer. Otherwise, I am sure I will not make Hridya to meet Abhirami, Sheila, all these people. Like Shandechi is also there. She was my teacher in my school when I was a student in 9th class. She was my maths teacher. She came to my village, got married the time I took birth. And imagine, 56-year-old. The other day, we had a history discussion about our village. And myself and Balakrishnan studied in same college. And I have a teacher who taught me. And that teacher happened to see my village history. See what interest a BSc teacher has got to know. And it is not from same village, somewhere far. Because my village doesn't have college. So I stayed in a different city with my brother. So it is not that she is anyway connected to my village. Just connection is Dr. TPS is from that village. So she want to know the history of my village. Can you imagine what contacts? Immediately she heard Shandechi, Shantakumari here, Shandechi, speaking about her childhood when she got married and came in 1969 or 65. Shandechi, 69. 69 when I was 5 years old. So that, see, how do I remember the year? My 5 years is Shandechi got married. So I am connecting 1969. Otherwise, why should I remember Shandechi's marriage date? See, this is how I relate. So that was mentioned there. And immediately teacher gave a message to me saying that, oh, I am from that place where your Shanta teacher is from. I did not leave it there. I did not take a moment to think. Immediately I dialed and talked to her, connected to Shandechi, put in conference talk, and they were become close friends. They started sharing their school days and their teachers, the nicknames, many things happened to be the discussion. And they didn't know that I am recording all this. Now also I am recording. That's my normal practice. I recorded everything and made a program and posted it onto YouTube also. You understand? See, after that, now Shandechi went to her house, had a good time. This is how relationships are built, right? I remember Balakrishnan's daughter's marriage was there. That day I had 20-40 children who are from different parts of the country staying with me in my village. I will not be able to go and attend because I don't even get a substitute teacher. I am taking care of them 24 hours. Young 20 girls and young 20 boys. Do you think I can leave them free and then go? Finished. They will spoil not the house, the whole village they will spoil. So I am like a policeman controlling all of them. But then I don't have a substitute. I am sure Shandechi can be a substitute to come there and entertain, but not 24 hours. Not 12 hours. If I have to travel to Balakrishnan's daughter's marriage, it takes another few. So I got only somebody on a day where I could spare. that day I went and attended. I need not. I could have given some excuse, right? I never do that. So when you get a chance, when you get an opportunity, when you get, I remember Balakshana, we were supposed to go to Goa to meet, right? The Goa meet. I was in Delhi, we were supposed to meet, our BSc classmates were supposed to meet in Goa. But that day my flight got cancelled. I have no way.
On the way you went back.
Yeah, then what did I do? I planned, all my vegetables were packed and thrown. Everything was, I was almost like in Goa only. And not like today we cannot connect. So I closed my door for 8 hours and then sat inside my room. That was like a punishment for me. No, what did I do is I wrote beautiful collection of different poetries, different songs of Ganga river, starting from Ganga up to the end it went and died in Varanasi. And then that became a beautiful music flow. And immediately after that, one school wanted to have a dance form to present. I gifted this. I went there, made the costumes and made a beautiful drama. So I remember Goa trip of all my classmates became a musical program in Delhi for me. Understood? So invest all your time for something which makes some difference so that you can pick up that in your life throughout you can remember. Otherwise my dropping Goa will become a I will not even remember about it. Oh, and it will be a bad feeling that I lost a chance. My friends are enjoying, but I am enjoying much bigger and higher because I lost the chance. So opportunities are to be created by you. That is what is essential in life. And pick up as fast as you can. That is what is required. And connect to people so that you will remember them throughout your life. And it needs a big culture. It's not that simple. I'll tell you, it's not that easy. You need to have a good surrounding people where you can connect to people, gather them together, understand their culture, so that you will also know how to connect to the whole world. Good enough? Anything more? Abhinami, first time. I am with all the other people many times. So all of them knows me. Nandana I know only 1 week back. But that interaction also I posted onto YouTube. Nandana may not know that I posted.
Yes, sir, I know. I have.
Bhadra, you have anything? Bhadra has to make it more practical. That's why I have sent. No, the Milka and all did not join. Sometime Sunday morning is a problem for some people, I'm sure. They have church. Somebody from US was there. They have sent a message that he will not be able to join because it is 12:30 for them, midnight. Any questions? Not to me, to others also you could.
Acharya, I had a question.
Yeah. Why should I trigger? Ask. I told you, that introduction is not required. Immediately you ask question.
No, I had a question from you. Actually, I just saw the questions that you posted.
Yeah.
Do we need to address them sequence-wise, or we can do a general discussion like we are doing today?
See, this is only a trial. This is only equipping you. All the 15 questions, if you can answer one by one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's how we have a database Excel sheet where I am supposed to fill it up. So I could pick up something from you, it will be good. There are a lot of background work happening, which I am investing a lot of my time on this. So you can answer 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think I have sent to everybody. If anybody did not get, send me a WhatsApp message. I will answer that. Good enough?
Yes, Acharya. Should we be aware of all 15 questions. That would be better, I think.
You could.
Okay. Thank you so much.
By then, I said send me the message on WhatsApp. I am not going to see the chat and answer it. Okay. You have a WhatsApp. Your WhatsApp message should come to me so that I can post it. I am not going to post it on chat. So where do you want? There only you should ask. Not now. You can do it later also. No problem. Kanishk. By then,
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Doctor.
നമസ്കാരം. കുട്ടികൾക്ക് വേണ്ടിയിട്ട് ഇത്രയും നല്ലൊരു പരിപാടിയാക്കുന്ന അവിടത്തോട് വളരെ നന്ദി പറയും.
Very nice. Great.